How to start a Jam on Spotify in your PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel Create, Login and Delete. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video. First of all, open up the Spotify in your PC. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Spotify account. Once you're logged in and you land on your home page, now all you have to do is select a song. After you select the song, navigate to the bottom right corner of your interface where you will find a bunch of options such as now playing, view, lyrics, queue, and connect to device. From there, all you have to do is click on connect to a device and a drop down menu will pop up. Now, if you have a premium subscription in your Spotify account, in this drop down menu, you will find an option as Start a Jam. But if you don't have a premium subscription in your Spotify account, you might not be able to find that option as Start a Jam. So make sure you have a premium subscription in your Spotify account in order to start a Jam in your Spotify. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.